Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Yunus. قل هل من شركائكم من يهدي إلى الحق قل الله يهدي للحق أفمن يهدي إلى الحق أحق أن يتبع أمن لا يهدي إلا أن يهدى فما لكم كيف تحكمون. Translation. Say, is there anyone among them whom you ascribe as partner to Allah who guide to the truth? Say, Allah guides to truth. Is he who guides to truth more worthy that he should be followed, or he who does not find a right way unless others guide him? Then what is wrong with you? How do you judge? In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَمَا يَتَّبِعُ أَكْثَرُهُمْ إِلَّا ظَنًّا إِنَّ الظَّنَّ لَا يُغْنِي مِنَ الْحَقِّ شَيْئًا إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلِيمٌ بِمَا يَفْعَلُونَ. Translation. Most of them follow nothing except conjecture or assumptions. Surely assumptions or conjectures are not substitute of truth at all. Indeed, Allah is all-knowing of what they do. In the previous ayahs, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of this universe, who created the universe the first time. And he is the one who will resurrect and who will recreate in the hereafter. And this comes in the human mind and intellect that no one can declare that he or she created this universe. Even those polytheists of Mecca, they had so many false gods, but they believed that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator. So the deity who creates in the beginning and the deity who will create once again in the hereafter is the deity who can guide the humanity during this life. And this is very simple to understand, that the one who created knows his creation and is the most suitable and capable of guiding the creation. Just like the example of a machine, that the maker of the machine knows about the machine and he is the one who is able to write the manual of the machine and to give guidance that how to use this machine. Similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us and He knows that what are the weaknesses and strengths we have, and He is the one who can guide us to the straight path. Even the prophets and the big pious saints don't say that they can guide humanity. They know that they cannot guide anyone unless they are guided themselves by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So those who are making false gods must ponder that how come these false gods or idols who are not able to guide themselves, how can they guide anyone else? So those people who are following the priests and monks and religious leaders who claim that they can guide someone, without the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they cannot guide anyone, and they have no capability of guiding anyone. And these false leaders just make things by their thought process and put that in practice for other people, which is without any evidence or basis. These baseless claims cannot stand in front of the solid guidance given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us to understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.